Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to shorten ClickBank affiliate links. What you need to do, first just go to ClickBank and then go to Marketplace and just select what do you want to promote. For example, if I want to promote something here, health and fitness. Okay, for example, this one I want to promote. Just click here, promote, and then generate hub links. As you can see, the link it's so long and looks spammy. Then just copy and then go to Google and type bit.ly. Here is where we will short the link. And then just click here, create. And paste the link here. Okay, and the title here, for example, we write, okay, fitness product, and then click save. This is the link, and when I click the link, it will take me to the sales page. Yeah, here is the sales page. This is what you need to do if you want to shorten ClickBank affiliate links. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.